What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And on today's video we have probably the best screen protector out in the world. The Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector. And today's screen protector is for the Google Pixel 3 XL. So let's just take a quick look at the packaging right now. Your typical Whitestone Dome packaging, just you have a picture of the product in the front. It does say it has slim round glass on the edges for full cover with no lifting. You do have full touch, full cover, and fully clear. Adhesive curing by a UV light. We all know how this goes. We've probably seen many installation videos on these type of screen protectors, and you'll probably see one right now. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and crack this box open and see what's inside. So we do have our instructions. Make sure you follow the instructions to the T. It's not too hard to install once you've done a couple of these. This is the new installation method. It's the one where you slide across. One thing I do want to tell you guys is always test your UV light before beginning any installation. Last one I had a dud, and fortunate enough I had an extra one where I was able to cure, but I don't want you guys to not have an extra one and not be able to cure. And this one is good. All right, so we have our tray, our glue, our applicator, our necessities here to clean the device and prep. Let's move that aside. We have our tempered glass screen protector here, Pixel 3. We have the front speaker cover grills and the bottom speaker cover grills. This is the top and this is the bottom, and we have our bridge. Now this is the tray. So where it says connector and speaker, so you probably want to go this way like this. This is probably the connector over here, and this portion here is probably the speaker portion they're talking about. So let's go ahead and place this tray. This tray also has indicators here that says Pixel 3 XL, speaker, and so I guess you just go like this. You'll align the speaker with the speaker, and this will go in just like that. But before we do that, let's go ahead and clean the device. Let's get our tray. Now remember, connector, that's the connector there, and this is the speaker there. Same thing, boom, speaker on top here. Let's go ahead and insert that. Now we want to get our absorbing pads in there on the side. Bam, bam, bam. Now our dust removal stick. I forgot to do something, so right before, let's go ahead and we do that. We want to actually cover this speaker up here first. Let's go ahead and grab this and just kind of place it on there like that. Bam. And that should be good enough. Let's go ahead and put this back. There we go. Boom. Oh, it lifted up. So that tray aligns. Oh, here we go. So we kind of want to put this, you see the sticker here, you kind of want to put it in there, insert it in here. Bam, like that. So when we go ahead and lay this down, bam, it kind of doesn't lift this, and let's go ahead and press that on there, and it's on there just fine. Let's go ahead and give that one more wiping since I did touch it. So now we want to take the other one and place it here. You have this tab there, just kind of press it there, you should be fine. Bam. Now we take the bridge, place the bridge on here, we take the adhesive, remove the red cap, place it on the bridge, screw it on, twist, remove the glue. As you can see, give it a couple taps here, just make sure all the adhesive drips out of the bottle there. Give it a couple minutes, not a couple minutes, a couple seconds. We should be fine. We're gonna go ahead, give it one more quick tap, and there. We're gonna remove this. Go ahead and put that aside. We're gonna grab the tempered glass screen protector. There. This is the top side. So this is the top side here. We're gonna go ahead and remove the back portion of it. There, it's kind of, then it's not coming off. We're gonna remove the protective plastic there, and we're gonna align this here like this and just kind of let it drop in place. Bam. Now you take your applicator here, and it says start here. You put this like this, and you kind of just move on, hold it, you just kind of go forward, and bam, you see that, and it stopped. And then you just let the glue spread out through the whole glass screen protector. So just go ahead and open your UV light and plug it into a battery pack or some sort. Now what you want to do is 15 here, 15 there, 15 in the middle. So let's go ahead and do 15 seconds here. Okay, let's go ahead and remove this. Bam, bam. So we have the tray, we remove the tray. Let's go ahead and remove our sticker here. Bam. And let's see if, so give it a nice clean wipe. Make sure you get all the excessive glue out and cleaned. Let's go ahead. Oh man, these things are super awesome. These screen protectors are by far the best. I cannot say that enough, man. Whoo, beauty. All right, so we give it a quick wipe down there. Just give it a quick wipe down real quick. Just go around the edges. Those absorbing pads do a great job absorbing most of the excess glue and catching it before it gets to the device. So let's go ahead and just rub quick one. There. So now our next step is you just want to cure it 60 seconds on top, 60 seconds in the middle, and 60 seconds at the end, just to make sure it adheres correctly to the glass. And let's go ahead and do that right now, and we'll come back in a bit. Okay, so the curing has been all done, and let's go ahead and take a look at what we have here left. Look at that. Very nice and responsive, very responsive. Damn, feels just good. Look at that, man. Look at that, so we can get here to focus. This thing is phenomenal. Look at that. It's not too thick, nice and rounded corners there. It goes all the way to the edge. It covers everything just perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and put a case on here to make sure it's case friendly. Bam, case friendly. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, there you have it, guys. Whitestone Dome screen protector for the Pixel 3 XL. Currently available on Amazon for $44.99. I know it's a little expensive, but you can't put a price on the best. Then this is the best screen protector out for the Pixel 3 XL. Link will be in the description, so if you want to go ahead and pick yourself one, help out the channel by clicking on that link. It is an affiliated link. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.